Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
Kid, you want some blades?
Blades are for skating, dingus.
Officer, I got one question for you.
What are those? Mom, I can't find my fish. Oh, sweetie, I think he ran away. He's a fish. How did he run away?
Hey, nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Emo.
Okay.
Have a great first day at school, guys. We're gonna miss you so much.
Hey, Liza, what's up? All right, girl. What's up, girl? Yeah, say my name. Girl. I can tell some of you studied very hard for this exam and some of you did not.
Say my name, say my name.
I'm gonna pull you over. I'm gonna pull you over.
You never had coffee. Never. Try it.
I can't stop.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my.
It looks like you can only afford one sock. Okay, thank you.
Hi, can I get a large pepperoni for delivery? I am an adult. No one told me to ask my mom. He texted me back. I can't find my socks. I just took a dump. Dang, you look good today, and I ain't lying.
He's pooping.
Juana?
I don't know who you are.
It's Juan.
I will find you.
It's not Juan.
Does this dress make me look fat?
You look fine.
Kneel before you kill. I will never kneel to you. Sandal sleeves.
Oh!
Got it.
Yeah?
Yeah, what you gonna do about it? The next time you text me? I ain't gonna text back.
You suck!
Hello?
How dare you not answer my...
Now watch me eat. Now watch me sleep. Now watch me eat. Watch me sleep.
How old? 14 months.
That's cute.
That's cute.
Let me help out the more of the lawn. I don't wanna cut the grass.
I'm in my mom's car. Broom, broom. Get out of my car!
Wake up, stupid. Hello, hola, 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 hola. You hit like my grandma. Psst, hola, you should eat me because, like, I'm delicious.
No way, man. I'm on a diet right now.
Okay, listen. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
I'm delicious.
I said, what are you, Italian?
Wake up, we're going to Disneyland!
Don't you dare close your eyes.
No! Babe, I'm tough. I'm not afraid of...
Give me all your cash!
You can take everything I have.
Hey, Jake, what are you doing?
I'm making waffles. Wasn't me.
Saw me banging on the sofa.
Wasn't me. Ate a whole box of donuts. Was probably me.
I don't know who you are.
It's Waldo.
I will find you.
Good luck. Click.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
What does the fox say? My name is Jeff.
It's okay to make mistakes.
This class was a mistake.
How did you do in school, Dad?
I never flunked math. I never was late. All my life, I got good grades.
Can we get ice cream?
No.
Do it! Just do it!
Free shabaka do 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 do.
I'm gonna get it done today. Tomorrow.
Know why I pulled you over?
'Cause you're a hater.
You know what time of year it is?
What? It's September.
Halloween. Hey, Matt, wanna hang out? Nope. Yes, you can. Just do it.
He needs some milk.
This is the most beautiful day. They got helmets on their heads, but I gotta want them alone instead.
Time to get up, dear.
No.
Time for lunch.
No.
Time for bed.
No. This woman is my
coughing, coughing. You'll be in a coffin if you keep on coughing. Whoa, okay, I'm stopping.
I could scream forever.
Because I'm lazy, clap along if you feel like never getting out of bed.
I've decided it's time to finally turn my life around and go on a diet. Tomorrow.
Did I do a good job?